Good evening, students.
Good evening,
Good evening, ma'am.
ma'am.
Good evening, beta. Understood the topic? Topic is clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, beta, prepared? You are all ready? Should we wait or we should
But
start?
Vaibhav didn't understood the topic.
Vaibhav is too small to understand, no? Because it's glimpses of your favorite this thing. So I think he can talk when he listen to you people, no? Then he'll be able to judge what we are talking about. Then he can speak in the last. He's too small for that.
Mom, can I tell the explanation of the topic?
You can explain the topic. Good. Khushi?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Mom, the topic is saying that how great were your favorite Indian fighter like Bhagat Singh and Subhash Chandra Bose and others? How great were they, and how do you support them, and what's your favorite freedom fighter?
Ma'am, can Bhavya translate?
Uh-huh.
In my language, ma'am, it want to say that how great was a revolutionaries. Revolutionaries mean in Hindi is Krantikari, and we have to tell a story or a small short about them, about our favorite revolutionary.
Vaibhav understands the word revolutionary. Vaibhav, is it clear to you?
No, ma'am.
Is he there?
Bhavya was speaking just now.
I know you were speaking, but you wanted to explain the topic to Bhavya also, no? Khushi did that. She explained that Bhavya hasn't understood the topic. So is it clear to Bhavya? Sorry, Vaibhav, I'm asking. तुमने explain कर दिया ना, खुशी ने भी कर दिया. So is it clear to Vaibhav?
Ma'am, Vaibhav have not joined the meeting yet.
Acha, somebody told me na कि he hasn't understood the topic. I thought you are explaining to him.
Mom, he's just said me that Didi I didn't understood the topic, so mom will explain.
Let's begin, beta. Let's begin. We all had understood. Now let's start. Who is the first one to speak?
Ma'am, can Bhavya start?
Bhavya, start, beta.
Namaskar. Ma'am, first may open my camera.
Yes, beta. Good evening.
Namaskar, ma'am, and my dear friends. I am Bhavya to speak on this topic. A person who become great, he become great when he do something. There are many revolutionaries in our country who help us to get independence. Some of the revolutionaries sacrificed their life. My favorite revolutionary is Shri Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. One of his glimpses is when he met Hitler. One of the time there was World War II. At that time, Netaji go to meet Hitler. On that day, when Hitler have many similar faces people. So Netaji go to and sit on the chair and ask their bodyguard to call Mr. Hitler. But Hitler have many similar faces person. So he thought that the person who has come from India, he is not Indian. He is from some other country, and he will kill me. So he sent his one of the similar face person, and he said that, hello, I am Hitler, what you have to talk to me. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose said, hello, but I want to talk to the Hitler, not to you. Then Hitler come front of him and tell, how do you differentiate between us? He said that a very big a very big person do not ask us hello and hi, and then a very big person do not tell us hello or hi. A person who come to meet him, he first say that hello or hi. And in the 19th century he was been awarded by Bharat Ratna, but his grandson refuses to take it because he said that I don't want this, but you do investigation of a sudden crash of my grandfather plane, and I want investigation. It was a incident, or it was somebody's. It is done by somebody. So lastly, I want to say that we are proud of our every revolutionary who sacrificed his or her life and get us independence. So in the last I want to say that Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Great Indian patriot you're looking. You are you a real lover of India? Weber?
हम सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा.
Good. That's the patriotic feeling. It's good that it has been inculcated in you. Say, at this age of your life, so beautiful. You'll come out to be very dutiful to India. I hope so. And beta, one or two mistakes. I'll just comment on that. One of the time you said once Netaji went to meet whom? Hitler. One of the time, beta, once Netaji went to meet Hitler. Once you can say for that matter. Then you said talk to the Hitler. Never use the before the name of any. We cannot say the Bhavya, the Hitler. No, Hitler only. Then one of the other mistake is that pronunciation mein I felt that glimpses you could not speak clearly. Glimpses is glimpses ko you have to pronounce glimpses, Glimpses, glimpses. Then revolutionary also because of some pronunciation this thing error. I felt you can break the spelling the word and revolutionary. That is the correct word, revolutionary. And one mistake is there. This you said he did not believe in. Netaji told Hitler that somebody who is very your personality kind of a person cannot say hello, hi, and all those things. So I could recognize. You can say the he doesn't believe in courtesies, simple courtesies of hello and hi. You can put it like this. So it will give a better impact. Okay, beta. Rest you always speak well. Good. Keep it up. Now, who is next to speak now? Next, who is there?
Ma'am, can I speak? Hello.
Hello. Yes,
Ma'am,
beta.
can I speak?
Start karo.
Ma'am, my topic is Bhagat Singh,
Okay.
freedom fighter, revolutionary. Bhagat Singh was a young revolutionary leader who sacrificed his life at a very young age, fighting for the independence of Mother India. He was born on 28 September 1907 at Banga village. And he was a youngest freedom fighter who was executed when he was only 23.
Beta, can you switch on your
years.
video? Excuse me, beta, switch on your video so that I can, you are visible to me.
Yes, ma'am. Wait.
And beta, it's better if you do not read from the paper. You have already made notes and you can speak in your own simple words. Otherwise, the whole idea will be dissolved.
Wording is, ma'am, my wording. This is my wording. I'm right because I have no idea. 1958. This sun is important.
Okay, rest of the time you will speak on your own. You can
Okay,
just have a
ma'am.
glance.
Okay, ma'am. He was involved the murder of John Sundar in December 1928 of revenge the death of Lala Rajpat Rai, Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, and Rajguru were hanged on 23 March 1931, a day before the decided date. But 2 days ago, 23 March.
Before. Prior.
Before. Okay, ma'am. Bhagat Singh fought to free India, and today we are free because of him. He was a youngest freedom fighter who was executed when he was only 23. Ma'am, I have only
This much to say.
इतना ही है मैम. हाँ मैम.
So, from tomorrow onwards, prepare.
The 2 minutes speech at least.
Shahrukh, are you
Okay,
listening?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So
I
your
hear.
mistakes were, your grammatical mistakes were there regarding the helping verbs. You said was involved.
You should say Bhagat Singh was involved in this thing or that thing. You said something else, and one or two other mistakes, grammatical mistakes were there regarding tense and all. You go through the
Okay,
chapter of tense, be able to judge better, and from tomorrow onwards, make a proper 2 minutes at least.
Okay,
Your
ma'am.
elocution. Okay, Shahrukh. Grammatical
Thank
mistakes
you.
were there.
Okay, ma'am.
So come daily so that we can really explain you, because today lots of telephone calls are coming. So I jotted down one or two mistakes of yours. Those were helping verbs.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Next student.
Ma'am, can I Khushi?
Khushi, start karo.
Ma'am, are you able to hear me properly?
You're perfectly audible, but Khushi, can you please switch on your video?
Yes, ma'am, I'm opening my video because there's there's a Wi-Fi
cut.
problem. So let me open.
Okay.
Ma'am, are you able to see me?
No, you're not visible to me.
Ma'am, my camera is on. Ma'am, are you able to see me?
Now you are visible perfectly. Okay. Yes. Khushi.
Yes, Chandrasekhar. Ma'am, can I start?
Yeah, of course.
Chandrasekhar Azad and Bhagat Singh and many more revolutionaries are known for Indian struggle, Indian independence struggle. But if there is one female who was known for the every person, adult, child alike in India, is none other than Savitri Bai Phule. She was born. She was born in Maharashtra, Naigaon in 1931. She belongs to Mali community. They used to grow vegetables for their living. At the age of 9, she was married to a boy of 13-year-old, Jyoti Rao Phule. So today I want to share an incident of Savitri Bai Phule. She was our first female teacher. One day when she was going to the school, women were not allowed to step outside their house to work. So when Savitri Bai Phule used to head to go to school every day, she was verbally abused and peeled with the rotten eggs and cow ducks by many men. Her husband used to handle the extra sari. She used to change for to clean the dirt and throw that sari away because of that egg, because they were pure veg, so they does not like eggs. And so that Jyoti Rao was used to give us extra sari. One day while she was going to the school, again same happened to her, and a small girl was also going with her. So she asked that why do you not used to say them back? Why do you used to listen everything? So she said that I have to handle 150 girls school. So if I used to waste my time in abusing them or used to throw the cow dung, and so then I will waste my time, and then I can't be able to handle so many school together. So I guess my time is important than giving them back response. Thank you.
You have taken a good topic. Some
We people did not know so much about this revolutionary Phule Bhai. So you have taken something different.
Khushi, you are perfectly improving and you have a good grasp over your English. So one or two mistakes again I would like to say the usage of the is
Quite often in your speeches. Da ka bahut
करते भव्य तुम भी. So the school you said she was going to her school or whatever. Then you said the abuses. People were throwing tomatoes and
People
guns.
used to verbal abuse them.
Verbally abuse her. Verbally.
Yes.
Not verbal abuse. Here it will be used as verbally. She was abused like this. And you can even say, Khushi, they used to, she did not believe in retorting back. You said, na, she did not believe in throwing back the things again on them. So you can say like this, she did not want to retort in the same manner. मतलब उसका बदला लेना वो नहीं चाहती थी उसी तरह से लेना. Because her time is important की जगह you can use her time was precious.
Okay,
She
ma'am.
decided that time is precious. Precious is the better word for time. So she decided not to waste her time because it's precious and she has to educate so many students and all. And
Mom, I want to add one more point. Can I?
yes, beta.
But at the age of 66, she was having a disease. So she died at, unfortunately, she died on that. In 10th March 1897.
1890, well, more than 100 years back.
At the age of 66, she died because of a disease.
Acha, one more mistake, Khushi, because communication classes, this is a spoken. So one more mistake I would like to point out that not many men itself is a plural. You know it, no?
Yes,
Khushi?
ma'am.
So men
ma'am.
नहीं बोलना है ना बेटा थोड़ा, because this way you'll improve. Men's, you know it, I know you are clear about it, but when we speak we tend to do some errors. So a little
Yes,
bit
ma'am.
cautiousness is important. Then one more area you said does not like, she does not like or something else. You can say it was she did disliked, she disliked behaving in the same manner. So she does not like is like a dislike.
Okay, ma'am.
Khushi, good beta, keep
Okay,
it up.
ma'am.
Next student.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next, who's gonna speak now? Abhi to only Bhavya and Shahrukh has spoken. Now, Gagan, are you ready? Lovely.
Ma'am, Khushi also spoken.
Khushi, you too just now you spoke. Gagan and who is ready now? Nandini, are you there? Sanjay sir, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, I am here.
Sanjay, would you like to speak?
Yeah, may I start to speak, ma'am?
Of course, begin.
History is full of the many leaders or many revolutionary or patriotic, and there are many incidents which change the entire society or the traditions in our society. There are many leaders who really did the great job, but one of my favorite was Ishwarchand Vidyasagar. He was the social revolutionary in West Bengal, and before doing or before executing the law, the widow remarries or to work on that, he started with his own. He married to a widow and set an example for the others, and that's why the widow remarriages were started in India. But we have some another examples, and now before that, the widow's life was not too good in Indian region, and the people leave them at Mathura and other religious place, and their life were hell at that time. He really did a great job, and change the society, and the mindset has been changed. Otherwise, there are some other cruel activities or some traditions are here, like some sati partha. So he really did a great job, man. Thank you.
Ha, Sanjay, you people, Khushi, and you people take new topics good. Generally, Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar and these people don't take. Instead of saying abolished, but abolished like, am I audible to you people, Sanjay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
You can speak like this. There were a lot of cruelties done to women folk at that time, and moreover, Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar was one of the most prominent revolutionary who brought who abolished sati practices. Abolished is the right word. हटा दिया उन्होंने. Then
Ji, ma'am.
है ना, and you can one or two little minor mistakes were there, like you said the usage is lot of you people use the quite often. So you said full of the many incidences in history. The many incidences itself is a complete sentence. Then rest it was fine. And you took it was a short one, 2 minutes. You can continue from tomorrow. It's tomorrow, Tony. We'll meet on Monday then. Good. You people take new topics. Khushi has also taken new this thing, revolutionary, and you also. Good. Now, next person
Thank you, ma'am.
who would like to speak. Nandini, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, may I
Nandini,
start?
yeah.
Good evening, everyone. My views on today's topic is all revolutionaries are great because they got us independence from British rule, and they are real heroes of our country. So today I will speak about on Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was a great revolutionary, and he has done a lot for his country, and even he sacrificed his life for us and got us independence from British rule. Bhagat Singh was born in a Punjabi Sikh family on 27 September 1907. He was very young revolutionary from childhood. His ideas and views were very revolutionary, and because of his revolutionary ideas, he joined and became a member of Hindustan Republic Association in 1928 and took revenge of Lala Lajpat's Rai death, and also took part in many other revolutionary activities. Bhagat Singh was hanged on 23rd March 1931 along with Rajguru and Sukhdev, and his famous slogan was Inqilab Zindabad. Thank you.
Nandini, what did you say about prevent? What did you say? Can you repeat the sentence? Prevent Lala Lajpat what?
Ma'am, take revenge.
Take revenge of Lala Lajpat Rai's.
Death.
You can say, huh. So you can say the atrocities done. Atrocities means so many. मतलब जिसको बोलते हैं ना, बहुत सारे उनके पर अत्याचार, atrocities. So he wanted to take revenge. So Bhagat Singh did. He was a very one of the most important revolutionary of those times, and he took revenge because of the atrocities. He felt that those were done on Indian, say, for example, Lala Lajpat Rai, and that was fine. And then once you said, a very young revolutionary. So a young, that is also, Nandini, is fine. The rest of the thing is okay. Now, next one who can speak. Gagan, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I speak?
Of course.
Ma'am, I am visible.
Yeah. Nandini, you
Ah.
did not switch on your video when you were speaking now. So please do switch on your videos. Yeah, Gagan, start.
Good
Okay, ma'am.
evening. Today I am here to present my views on the today's topic. And today's topic is, ma'am, about the revolutionaries that provide glimpses in our life and Indian continent. And today I am taking my favorite and one of the biggest revolutionary, which changes lots of things in India. That is Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Raja Ram Mohan Roy was a very great historian and an Indian reformer and he was a social and religious reformer also. He was born on 22 May and in year 1772. As Raja Ram Mohan Roy starts many revolutionaries, like he started the Brahmo Samaj in the year 1828, and Brahmo Samaj is a social religious reform movement for the Indian people and Indian subcontinent. He started also many revolutionaries, like he tells the Indian people that there is only one supreme God and no other one god exists than that supreme god, and he fight against the child marriage also. And he gave his famous doctrine of Brahmanism. And Raja Ram Mohan Roy fights against lots of Hindu customs like sati pratha, polygamy, child marriage, caste system. At that time, all these things in India were at their peak point, and and they are destroying the Indian culture and Indian society and individual, that gives a very harsh impact on them. So Raja Ram Mohan Roy started all these revolutionaries for the Indian people. Raja Ram Mohan Roy, he also demanded the property rights, inheritance rights for the women, so that they also have some property, have their houses to live. Not even for the woman and child, in education purpose also Raja Ram Mohan Roy plays a very important role, that he helps marry many British officers to set up educational institutions and schools which are helpful for the schools, which are helpful for the childrens and as well as the adults. And he also uh, helps in the setup of the Vedanta College. So Raja Ram Mohan Roy was a great revolutionary, and all the revolutionaries made by him are very helpful to give a very huge amount of change in Indian culture and Indian subcontinent. Thank you, ma'am.
Gagan, again, you have taken a new topic. Good, Raja Raman Ray, I did not expect. Then here you are being confused regarding the word revolutionary. When you talk about Raja Raman Roy, he brought so many changes, that is reformations. He brought not revolutionaries. So he was a revolutionary, but he brought out so many reformations, changes life. है ना बेटा? So you use the word revolutionary 4 or 5 times. So there you have to use reformations. Okay. Then for start, I can suggest you a better word. He was a pioneer in this field, in many customs that were prevalent. Prevalent मतलब उस time जो चल रहे थे वो customs prevalent. उन दिनों जो चल रहा था. So he was a pioneer to bring so many changes in those outdated या obsolete customs. Okay. So pioneer मतलब जो start करता है, बिल्कुल नया उसने begin किया है. Then doctrine, you pronounced it wrongly. Doctrine, not doctrine, nahi, doctrine.
Okay.
Then one or two errors, that grammatical, again tense problem, that he fights nahi, he fought. He is no more now. It's a past tense, so he fought. Okay, beta. Then peak, जैसे prevalent. I told you the word. Those customs were prevalent those times. Not, है ना? That peak time. So तुम लोग उसको prevalent कह सकते हो. Then again the की problem, you need not use the Indian people. Indian people itself is Indian, are Indians only. The की जरूरत नहीं. Fine. And then again one more error. You said helps. He helps many people. तुमने बोला so many reformations he brought. तो helped आएगा. Past की बात है ना बेटा. Tense problem. Helps नहीं, helped. Okay, Gagan. Then children's कभी नहीं होता. Never children. Children is a plural in itself. You know it very well. I think by mistake you people do it like this. It's not like by mistake when you speak, na, it comes out like that way. But I know you must be knowing it's a plural, right? Like Khushi did
Yes, ma'am.
men's. है ना बेटा? And again, you spoke on your own. You prepared, but you spoke on your own. That's the beautiful part. Good. Keep it up. You always do it sincerely. I feel that sincerity in you.
Thank you,
Good.
ma'am.
Keep it up.
Ma'am, now can I start?
Thank you, ma'am.
Of course, who is there?
Ma'am, Gaurav.
Gaurav, yes.
Good evening, ma'am. And my view on today's topic is, ma'am, today's topic is, ma'am, the revolutionaries. Ma'am, India have many revolutionaries. We listen from history books that we have many revolutionaries. But, ma'am, I picked the most common, or we can say that the important one in the ancient time, and that is the, ma'am, father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi ji, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. And ma'am, he was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. Ma'am, he plays a very important and important role in ancient times because he played a huge and major role from getting independence from the Britishers, and he started many protests, he raised many slogans, many programs to get to get off from Britishers. Ma'am, one is that, ma'am, Dandi March, that we can say is salt satyagraha. Ma'am, the salt satyagraha is started on 12th March 1932 and it goes to 6th April 1930. Ma'am, it is a very important satyagraha, which is led by Mahatma Gandhi, and this Dandi March is started because for the removal of the tax on the salt, which the salt produced in India and produced by the Indians, and then they had to pay tax to the Britishers for buying the salt and using it. So it's a very bad thing for the Indian peoples. And ma'am, next is one of the most common is, ma'am, non-cooperation movement. And non-cooperation movement was founded on 1st August 1920, and it was started by Mahatma Gandhi ji. And it is a campaign in which Gandhi ji encouraged people to boycott the British things or Britishers and use the self-governance and use the self-produced products which are produced in the country, so that the money keeps inside the country and the India develops, not the Britishers. So we can say that Mahatma Gandhi is also a reformer as well as a revolutionary, because at that time he is the only man. Yeah, there are many people who supported him, but Gandhi is the major person who plays a role against the Britishers for fighting them and getting India independence. And so due to all the people hard work, their patience, and their support, their unity, on 15th August 1947 India get independence. Thank you.
Gaurav, India get independence? Yeah, India got independence. Just tell me.
India got independence.
Yeah, small errors na, you people make like this, and similarly is again and again. It's a past history. History है ना ये बेटा. Gandhi
Yes,
ji
ma'am.
is Gandhi ji ऐसे is many a times you've used. Don't bother, because with time and with fluency you people are speaking on your own, you'll definitely improve.
Yes.
Then view is nahi, view on, my view on this, on बोलोगे, not is, my view on this topic is ऐसे करके. Then ancient times की जगह you can say during independence times. Ancient time is long back, what I feel. Devesh can comment later on better, but during independence time you can say not ancient.
Mom,
Gandhi
Asian
is not
times
ancient.
is. Mom, can I tell
Hmm?
Asian times? What does Asian?
Of course.
Mom, Asian times
Yes.
mean that at that time when the kings and queens were used to rule the country.
मतलब it's a long back. What Devesh can tell better because Devesh has just joined. So ancient Gagan, ancient की जगह you can use during independence time. He was one of the most prominent. He was the father of the nation who got us freedom. Then you can say reforms. He brought many reforms through his revolutionary techniques like salt satyagraha, ahimsa, then just indigenous. You can say when you were saying regarding what is that you said you have to use your Indian products. So Indian products you can say indigenous products also. Those products that are made in your country, those you have to use. So you can use a better word for that. And then remarkable, he brought many remarkable. So there you can use remarkable, not you use something else. I don't remember. So many remarkable things he had brought in India through his satyagraha, ahimsa, non-violence, and and brought independence to our nation, our country, not the India, to India. Gagan, and you are sincere enough. You speak on your own, and even Gaurav and all. It seems that you people are really doing your
Thank you.
best. Good,
Thank you,
Peter.
ma'am.
Next. Who is there? Who's left now? Lovely, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible?
Uh-huh.
Ma'am, am I audible to you?
Lovely, you're audible. Please switch on your video.
Ma'am, actually, I'm facing some network issue today, so I'll not be able to turn on my
Okay,
video.
but your voice is better. Your voice is breaking. Not too clear.
Ma'am, actually, I'm facing network issue.
Okay, then how will we be able to hear you? Whatever you can do your best, just try on your mic.
Okay.
Though you are
Rev-
audible, but it's not clear.
A revolutionary is a person who either participates or advocates a revolution. The revolution supplemented the national cause and carried the message of nationalism in the country. Although all the revolutionaries were one better than the other, but today I will talk about Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. He was an education and social reformer from Bengal. He contributed in the field of education and particularly modern education and women's education. Ma'am,
Yes,
can I
lovely.
start again? Can I start again?
Yeah.
He was an education and social reformer from Bengal. He contributed in the field of education, particularly modern education and women's education right. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar opened school for girls and brought significant reform in the education sector by bringing justice and equality for women through education. He brought social reformers to change the outcome of Hindu society from within. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar suggested widows remarriage and passed a law regarding it. He helped the women and the girls by in the education sector. He helped the widows and
Lovely, not at all. Lovely, not at all clear now. Not audible now. Nothing
passed
done from your part.
he passed a law for widows remarriage and he passed a law against widows remarriage. The effort of Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar to modernize and citizen Bengal was significant. Due to his efforts, the British officials passed a law permitting widows remarriage in 1856. He passed this law due to which all the women and all the girls were allowed to go to school. Thank you.
Lovely. Actually, you were not too audible to me. One or two mistake I can just point out. Women's, nahi, women. Again, it's a plural in itself. Then widows remarriage, nahi, widow remarriage. Lovely. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
No, rest you are not audible today. Try if you can next time your mic and things are working properly. Today I could not hear you properly. Anybody else? Some network issue, no? No problem, beta. You cannot help that. Anybody else who is left now? All have covered? Bhavya, Gaurav, Khushi, Lal. Yeah.
You
Vaibhav,
have only.
I am left. Devesh has joined. Devesh is better to comment on because he is a historian himself. Devesh will take over now.
Ma'am, Vaibhav left.
Vaibhav was not able to understand the topic now. Vaibhav, would you like to speak?
I can't understand today's topic.
That's what I'm saying. You could not understand. You're too small for that. So no problem. You can
Mom,
listen
he
to
just
us.
said I can't. Mom, he just said I do not understand. She can said I didn't understood.
I didn't understand. Not didn't understood.
Ma'am,
I was unable to understand.
Ma'am, first of all, Khushi Didi said she. I am he.
Dekho, you people point out your mistakes. Each of all of you.
After I just said he.
Khushi, no problem.
Yes,
Anyway, now Vaibhav, you can just listen to us. You must have heard the name of Gandhi ji, Mahatma Gandhi, and I don't know if you have heard. Bhagat Singh, you have heard, na? Abhi 2 days back. No, yesterday only. No, 2 days back. Yes.
Ma'am, I have to say something. Ma'am, Bhagat Singh, the revolutionary freedom fighter for India's independence for British left behind in a letter from the British left behind. His home in Laipur, now in Pakistan, to avoid getting married.
Avoid getting marriage?
Married.
Bhagat Singh, no, Devesh sir will comment on this thing. Ask Devesh sir to speak on this topic. Devesh, would you like to take over? Devesh, are you there?
Ma'am, Bhagat Singh was Bhagat Singh. Ma'am, 1 minute. Bhagat Singh's 404-page jail diary is filled with experts' notes and quotes on a wide variety of subjects that reflect not only his serious study and insight, but also his social and political concerns.
Very nice. You're reading from somewhere, Vaibhav?
Ma'am, no.
Acha, good, beta. Actually, the thing is, on his death day also, when he was about to be given a death sentence, on that day, at that time when he was called, at that time also he was reading some philosophical, spiritual topic. So he was so, because
Ma'am, Bhagat Singh was born on September 28, 1907. Bhagat Singh was sentenced to death in the Lahore conspiracy case along with other freedom fighters, Rajguru and Sukhdev.
Or only 2 days back, their death anniversary day was, we had all kept 2 minutes silence and we prayed for the departed souls. 2 days back only. You know, na? 23rd of March. Abhi nikli hai na date?
Yes, ma'am. 23 March 1931.
Yeah. Devesh is not there or what?
Maybe he is having some network issues, so he's not able to hear you.
Okay. So, हाँ बेटा.
And
Gaurav?
ma'am, he thought that the young, he was only 24 when he was executed. His
Executed. Executed.
executed his unwavering resolve and
Unwavering resolution.
Mom, I want to
Unwavering.
tell an incident. Mom, can I?
Khushi, you want to say something?
Mom, I want to say incident on Bhagat Singh. Can I?
Okay. Yeah, comment on that. Okay.
Ma'am, when Bhagat Singh was at age of 10, he was some family or some relatives come to their home, and then Bhagat Singh father just gave them a tour of their farm. So while his uncle said Bhagat Singh, then Bhagat Singh said his uncle that why do you carry these seeds with you in the farm? So the uncle said that if we just grow that, if we just put that seed in the soil and we just water it, then it will become a big plant. So after 5 minutes, Bhagat Singh went to somewhere under a tree and just start digging. After his father just seeded the seed in the farm, after he searched Bhagat Singh, that Bhagat Singh said that I was just seeding the guns. If we just water them, and then guns also become bigger, and we just kill a Britisher and just move them from our country and free our country.
Khushi, this I've never heard. And you people, I also get so much of
Mama,
knowledge
just
from.
saw a movie on Bhagat Singh, then I got this incident.
Yes, ma'am. On 23 March, there was a movie release on 23 March.
On television.
Yes, ma'am. On 23rd March, Sukhdev, Rajguru, and Bhagat Singh were hanged over. So on that day, our Indian government made a movie that 1931 23 March Shaheed.
Okay, it's a new movie released, or it's an old movie shown on TV?
An old movie.
Acha. What was the name of the movie?
Ma'am, the movie name is 23 March 1931 Shaheed.
Okay, fine. Good, beta. You people have got a lot of information. The topic is related because relevant, because 2 days back only, the day we had all mourned on that day, and we get so much of motivation from these revolutionaries and who brought freedom despite sacrificing their lives even for their country. So at least we can do our best as a good citizen of India, and what we
Mom,
beta.
Mom, the people freedom fighter used to fight to free our country, but nowadays we can just study and make our country more developed, to make our India a world best country.
Yeah, what we can, these days what you can do as youngsters, because the future lies in your hands only. Young people, they'll blossom and they'll bring a good name to their country. So, and we should be, especially what Devesh sir also told you, when we vote, we should, now to, you are not of that age, I suppose, but when you're 18, so you should vote in the deciding who should govern your country. And so that's a very important factor. And do vote, everybody who has become an adult, do get your voter ID made, and be a good citizen to India, and do whatever you can do best to this country. What their sacrifices will be then only we can repay their sacrifices if we'll be doing our best. Otherwise, their sacrifices will go waste. Okay, Khushi, good. All of you have really spoken so well, and Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar, then Raja Ram Mohan Roy, and Phule Bai. You people have touched many other and incidents. You also told, you gave me a new name. I would also like to watch that movie. So for today, I think we can end the session today, and then we'll meet on Monday with a new topic, and Devesh will take your class. Okay, have a nice weekend. Bye, Vita. Take care.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you,
Take
ma'am.
care. Good night.
Thank you, ma'am. Good night, ma'am.
Okay. Good night.